Hello guys, and welcome to Instant Nerd. Today, I will be showing you how to recover wallet in Tonkeeper. So, what you want to do is you want to open your Tonkeeper app and then you want to click on import existing wallet. And then, there are many options here. You can try other options, but I'm going to try the import wallet. So you want to enter your recovery phrase. So if you have saved it digitally or on a piece of paper, you just need to enter the words one by one. So there's an option for 24 words and 12 words. So just select what you have saved. So if I have saved 24 words, so I'm going to select 24 words. And then you want to click on continue. And if you weren't able to do that, if you forgot your secret recovery phrase, you just want to go to your browser and you want to search for tonkeeper.com. You want to scroll down, and then you want to click on support, and then you will be redirected to this page. You want to click on start bot, and then you want to click on open application. And then your Telegram app would open. And then you just want to type /start. And then just follow the instructions here. And just type in the problem that you have, and then the support team of Tonkeeper will help you. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.